Modern diesel engines are fitted with a diesel particulate filter, or DPF for short. Diesel particulate filters filter out the soot particles released during the combustion process in a diesel engine. In order to ensure that those soot particles are burned away, certain diesel vehicles are fitted with a special liquid that is applied by means of an onboard dosing system. Each time the vehicle's fuel tank is refilled, a signal is sent to the engine management system. This will then analyze the quantity of fuel in the tank and will send a signal to a special reservoir. The reservoir is located behind the fuel tank and is filled with a special additive. The engine management system calculates just the right amount of additive that needs to be injected. This is then injected into the fuel tank and is mixed together with the fuel. JLM DPF Refill Fluid can be used in most vehicles fitted with a diesel additive reservoir and acts like a medicine in that it finds its way to the very place where it is needed. JLM Diesel DPF Refill Fluid is suitable for use in a wide range of makes and models, built from 2000 onwards, and can be used as a universal alternative for all known original part numbers of the manufacturers concerned. For further information, please visit our website or speak to your regional specialist to find out more. Using universal JLM DPF Refill Fluid means that you can use the same product for vehicles of any make. JLM DPF Refill Fluid is available in 1 litre containers. When combined with the JLM DPF Refill Kit, cars fitted with an additives tank, as well as those with a reservoir bag, can be topped up easily. The kit can be used several times over. Where is it available? For details regarding availability, please visit our website, jlmlubricants.com.